Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to transfer USDT to your spot wallet in Bitget. It's easy to get this done. All you need to do is make sure you have an account on Bitget. If you do not have an account on Bitget, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim welcome gifts and bonuses when you register and verify using that link. So guys, you're on the Bitget platform, you're looking to move your cryptocurrency from one wallet on your Bitget exchange into another wallet. All you need to do is simply head to the assets menu at the bottom right. Once there, you're dropped at the overview, where you simply scroll from your spot wallet, which is currently empty, to the wallet that contains your USDT, which is the funding wallet. Now, all you need to do on this wallet is click on the USDT icon, click on the three-dotted icon at the bottom left, click there, click on transfer. Now we're going to be moving from our funding wallet to our spot, so simply switch their places so it says funding to spot. Click on all, and now you could simply confirm the transfer to simply move your crypto from your funding wallet to your spot. Now with your USDT on the spot wallet, all you need to do is perform a reload, and boom, here we go, the USDT. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we could go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.